Best deals. 1. Washing machine cleaning tablets. Use the washing machine cleaner in an empty drum for optimal results. Do not mix with clothes, detergents, or other cleaning agents. Refer to the directions and usage frequency mentioned in the product images. Ensure your washing machine remains fresh, residue-free. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Motion sensor dustbin. Simply wave your hand, and the lid opens automatically. This hands-free feature helps maintain a hygienic environment, especially useful when your hands are full or dirty. Perfect for busy moms multitasking around the house. Simply install the batteries, and it's ready to use for long periods, without the hassle of frequent recharging. Ideal for busy moms who need a reliable, low-maintenance solution. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Shelf. Keep your cotton swabs and makeup remover pads dry and clean with this ABS storage box, offering protection against moisture and dirt. Effortlessly mount the storage box on walls using the adhesive sticker on the back. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Nail brush. Has textured rubberized grips on the handle to prevent slipping during use. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Drying rope. The portable clothesline is easily fixed by two strong hooks, which are made of metal and very strong. Portable traveling cloth line rope can be attached anywhere: hotel, bathroom, backyard, home, laundry, boat, balcony, and even attached to trees. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Mat. The fast water absorption capacity of the 3D diatomaceous mud bath mat makes it a great choice for any room in your home. It is very durable. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Toilet paper holder. Perfect size that fits even in congested space. Additional provision has been provided to keep your mobile phone on it. Comes with strong self-adhesive sticker. No extra tool or hardware required for installation. Never falls off from the wall once you stick it. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Edge protector. Provides a cost-effective and easy solution to child-proofing your home. Ideal for use in homes with pets or elderly people. Can be easily cleaned with a damp cloth. Provides peace of mind knowing your child is safe from potential hazards. The corner protector baby is easy to apply and adds a good cushion to the edges of tables and cabinets for great protection. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Soap dispenser. Featuring an intuitive one-push design, this liquid soap holder for bathroom ensures a smooth and consistent flow of soap with every press. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Machine vibration pads. Made of resin fiber plastic, featuring excellent load-bearing capacity, toughness, and wear resistance. These washing machine foot pads are also resistant to moisture and corrosion, ensuring durability and long-term reliable performance. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Vacuum cleaner. Small and lightweight, easily fitting on any desk or workspace. It's perfect for those tight spaces where traditional vacuums can't reach, ensuring a clean environment without cluttering your space. It easily fits in your bag, making it ideal for quick cleanups on the go. Enjoy efficient cleaning with strong suction power that effortlessly picks up dirt and debris, all while operating quietly. Perfect for maintaining a peaceful home environment, even during kids' nap time. Easily recharges via USB, allowing you to power up from any USB port, whether it's your computer, a power bank, or a wall adapter. Enjoy the convenience of quick charging and up to 90 minutes of runtime. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Travel bottles. Refillable travel kit has wide opening which makes it easy to fill with shampoo, conditioner or lotion in use. Containers are specially designed for travel. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Tablets cutter. Will be the best convenient pill case for all people. The new designed pill box is composed of small stainless steel cutter zone and pill storage compartment. Suitable for various pills, this 2-in-1 pill case can keep pills safely. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Drawer pull knobs. Versatile adhesive sticker that can be used to add a touch of bling to any surface. Sticker is made up of small diamond-shaped rhinestones arranged in a hook pattern, and is available in a variety of colors and sizes. The adhesive backing is strong and secure. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Shelf divider. Made from high-quality, powder-coated metal, these dividers are built to last, providing a sturdy and reliable partition for your shelves without the worry of rust. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Plastic stool. Made from high-quality, unbreakable plastic ensuring strength, stability, and long-term use at home, office, kitchen, bathroom, shops, and hospitals. Designed to be portable and easy to carry. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Dual flow tap. Just turn the shell to change the flow, turn the shell to change the flow from the shower to the mist as per your requirement. Use rain mode to wash utensils in the kitchen or brushing in bathrooms and mist mode to wash fruits and vegetables. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Door gap filler. Helps prevent air leakage, improving heating and cooling efficiency, and saving electricity and money during both winter and summer. Equipped with strong 3M adhesive, suitable for glass, wood, sliding, and storm doors. Simply cut to size, peel, and stick for a secure installation. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Ice bag. Superior leak-resistant cap with large cap opening allows for easy filling of ice cubes or crushed ice. Soft, waterproof, and flexible textile enables the water to stay cold and hot much longer. Hot water is added to water bags to relieve pain such as upset stomach, back, head and joints. Designed for versatile pain relief, this reusable fabric ice bag can be used for both cold and warm therapy. Perfect for treating swelling, muscle sprains. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Storage box. Easily install this garbage bag storage box without drilling or damaging your walls. Comes with strong adhesive backing, perfect for smooth surfaces in your kitchen, bathroom, or office. Made from high-quality, eco-friendly plastic, the storage box is built to withstand daily use, ensuring long-lasting durability and reliability. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Door catch. These door magnets comes with a magnetic force of 20 pounds, which ideal for keeping cabinet door closing tightly. The adhesive double-side tape ensure the door magnet is firmly attached to the cabinet. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Broom holder. Features strong spring-loaded clamps with anti-skid grips that hold mops, broom. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Hanging hand towels. Features a loop for easy hanging on wash basins, kitchen racks, or towel rings, keeping towels accessible and organized. Product link is given in the 23rd link.